Error handling in Python is possible with the help of try and except block. The actual architecture of this try and except block is like this: try, then except, then else, and this finally block. But in most of the Python applications, in most of the Python scripts, you will see that you will have only two blocks. Those are try and except. So this else block and finally block, you will be randomly see it in the Python script. Now, what is the meaning of these individual blocks? So try block is the block which is going to be executed first. In case there is any kind of the error in the try block, then it will move to the except block. Now, in case there is no error in the try block, in that case, try block and else block both are going to be executed. And the finally block, this is the block which is going to be executed irrespective of this try, except, and else block. Over here, we have for block, try, except, else, and finally. Now, as you can see on the screen that I have used two different except block for two different errors. The reason being, though we can use only single except block, but when we are going to use only single block, in that case, we are doing two things incorrectly. First is, here we are handling all those errors, those might arise in the future. Second thing, if we want to do operations error wise, for example, there are two errors like as shown on the screen, those are going to be arised when executing the try block. So if I want to do the operations based on different errors, that won't also be possible with the help of single except block, and hence it is always advisable and the correct way to use different except block based on the type of the error. Now we will understand that how this entire code will work. So first of all, I have assigned a value 0 to the x variable. Now this value is in the string format. Next, I have used this try except block. So over here, the try block is going to be executed first. So over here, it will try to do 1 by x. But as the number is in the string format, it is going to throw type error. That means the type mismatch. It means that we cannot divide a numeric number by string number. In this particular scenario, except type error st, this block is going to be executed. And as we have got the error in this try block, the else block is not going to be executed, and then finally block is going to be executed. So let's run this script and see what is the output over there. So you can see over here, this try block has been executed. So this is the line which has been printed over here. Okay, and then the two statements below this print statement has not been executed. The reason being, over here, print 1 by x, the try block has got the error, and due to which, as it is a type error, it has moved towards the except block of type error. Now from this except type error block, you can see except block of type error has been executed. So this is the line available over here. Then unsupported operand type for division, int and str. Str stands for string. So this is the line over here. So what we have done over here is except type error as t, print t. So we have just prompted, we have just printed the error which is going to be arised in this try block, and this finally block is going to be executed irrespective of this try, except, and else block. So finally block has been executed, and then we have printed value of x. And now what I'm going to do is I will comment this particular statement and I will uncomment this statement. Will save the script and I will again execute the script. This time you can see except block of 0 division error has been executed. So this time this particular block has been executed. The reason being 1 divided by 0, so it will raise the 0 division error, and that's why this particular block has been executed. And then in this line what we have done is we have just printed the error. So the error is division by 0, and this final block, like finally block, has been executed with value of x. Next, let me change the value of x to the 3. Okay, and this time again I'm going to execute the script, and you can see that try block has been executed with this statement 1 by x. So the value is 0.3333. So this try block has been executed successfully. And as I have mentioned earlier, that if there is no error from try block, in that case else block is also going to be executed. So over here this else block has been executed with value of 1.6666 till 7, and finally definitely it's going to be executed irrespective of any block. So final block has been executed with value of x equal to 3. Now the thing over here is you can see that I have this type error, zero division error. So these are the built-in errors, built-in exceptions available in the Python. So I will provide that built-in exception link in the description box. But in case there are such scenarios where you are not able to find any built-in exception from Python, in all those scenarios, it is also feasible and possible to declare your own exception, your own error handling. So over here, this class zero value. So zero value is my exception name. So this exception name can be anything. You can provide any name over here. Then it is inheriting the properties of exception class. Okay, so class zero value exception passed. So this is the way through which you can define your own exception class, your own error handling. Then over here I have provided the value x equal to 0. Then over here what we are doing is like if x equal to 0 means if x value is 0, then raise zero value error with this custom message that zero value has been provided. So whatever we have mentioned in this parenthesis is a custom message that we want to provide with this zero value exception. Okay, and then in this accept zero value, in this exception block, what we are going to do is we will print the error or print the error message. Then we will add 3 to that zero value and then provide whatever the division value is there. So let me execute the script, and as you can see that try block has been executed, but as it has got this value of 0, it has raised zero value exception, and due to which it has gone to this accept zero value block. Now over here this accept block of type error has been executed. Okay, so over here I have forgot to change this error message, like accept block of zero value error has been executed. Pardon me for that. So this is the accept block for that, and then print t. So this is the error message, zero value has been provided. So this error message we have provided. So this is a custom message that we have provided over here. Okay, and then what we have done is added 3 to that zero value, and then 1 divided by whatever the 3 plus x. So 0.33333. That's it for the day. Thank you everyone for watching this video.